Hello, it's me, it's Blunty, and it's definitely been a minute since I've been here on the YouTube channel. In the meantime, I've continually been helping people fix drones on the Bardwell Discord and over my private Discord messages. But I wanted to let you guys know about a new tool that I made that hopefully is helpful to the community. So let's check that out. So here we have the website FPV links. Okay, so the general idea here is that there's a bunch of links and a bunch of information that an FPV pilot might need. So why not centralize it in one location that's unbiased? And what I mean by unbiased is that the things that go to the top here are just based on clicks. If it's FPV related, if an FPV person could use it, if a pilot needs it, then it should go here. To that end, if you want to submit a link, you can go up here and submit one. And it goes right to me. I can approve it. If you want to submit feedback about the site, you can also do that in the top right. But again, the goal is unbiased. So I want to just have this be like not branded, not themed. Nothing will ever be ranked based on that. Nobody will be able to buy an ad spot. We're never selling ads for the website. The only way I ever expect to get any compensation for this website is donations. If you happen to like what I'm doing, if you want to support me as a creator, you can always go to Patreon. You can make a payment through PayPal, or you can hit me on Cash App. If you just want to say thank you. There's nothing expected, nothing like that. This was put together for the community. One of the questions I've gotten before when I showed some people this is like, hey, did you make this with AI? The website is made with AI, but the content is made by me or people submitting something. There's no AI didn't fill any of this in or pick the links. They're all picked by me because somebody uses them or they're necessary or needed, right? So there's not a bunch of slop on here. To that end, I also created all these categories to fit everything in. And that's something else you could submit me in feedback if you wanted to let me know, what needs to change here, what needs to be added. Right now, you can go on the left-hand side and click like North American stores. And you can see a list of all the stores in North America that I could figure out that I listed. You can click on like, for instance, US stores. Or on the left here, US stores, and you can see US stores. And then I've even got like 3D printing. Right now, I've just got these websites that offer a 3D printing service to users or sell 3D printed parts. But if you know more, again, the whole point of this is that you can submit a link and we'll get it in there. And then if people click it, it'll go up to the top and everything will be here for people. If you go to the main page, there is a search. There's also a search if you're drilled down anywhere on the top right. So you can look for anything you might need. For instance, if you wanted to come here and say, we can see where it is, but we could type Impulse and we just see Impulse RC driver fixer. It's the good link. If it changes, I'll go in and fix it basically as soon as I know about it. If you see a link is broken or messed up, you can go submit feedback or submit a link for the correct link, however you wanted to do that. So just a little quick video. I know it's been a while, but I made this little tool and I figured it would be good to share this with the community and let people fill it in. Hopefully this becomes like a central place where you can find everything you need and you don't have to go digging around for links, at least as much. So let me know what you want to see. I hope everybody has a great day. Thank you very much.